find the right people to convey your message. And you might find great people, but unless you train them, they will not be the right people.
The training program is key. I'm super passionate. I'm a very loud, articulate person. I can be animated in front of people. I'm happy to sell. I'm a great salesperson. And you come up to me, Yuval, and you say, hey, I want you to sell these socks. And that's it. I'm only as good as my own internal skill, but you've given me nothing to work with. I can go out there and say, well, keep your feet warm. I don't know. What we basically started realizing was we need to give somebody the literal script. We were able to hand that to people and say, trust me, the only thing you need to do in this structure is read this script and approach as many people as you possibly can. It's just a numbers game. The more people you go to, the more you're going to sell. The training became valuable because it was like, let me show you. I know all my FAQs. I'm the brand owner. I know the questions people are going to ask. So let me make minute-long answers to all those questions.